Okay, same thing. HU required means HU management only. But some storage types will only take the loose products. Okay, if you are keeping like that, and some will going to take only the, if HU is there, then only it will get take, or else it will going to reject it. Okay, how we going to do that? Okay, so that one will be checking it today. I'm just opening the SAP. I'll just show you where the settings are. Then we can carry forward. Okay, I'll go to the storage type, SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, Extended Warehouse Management, Master Data, under that storage types. Okay, if you go to the storage types, I will take 1100, any storage type. Let us consider storage type 1. Here we have the field HU requirement. Okay, if you open this, see here, 3 options are available for you. One is HU allowed, but not a requirement. Means you bring whatever you want, it will take. Okay, if you bring the loose products, or if you bring the what is that HU, it will going to take everything. HU allowed, but not a requirement means what? It is allowing the HU, but it is not mandatory. If you are bringing the loose products also, it will take. If you bringing the HU also, it will take, like that. Second thing is HU requirement means if HU is there, then only products can be confirmed within the bin, or else it is not possible. Okay, you cannot able to put the materials within the bin. Then HU not allowed is there. Okay, like whatever the material you are bringing, if you are bringing the HU also, how the system will going to behave and all we'll going to see. Okay, so these things we are going to check it today, and else I'll just keep this as a screenshot. Yeah, these things will be studying it. What I will do, I'll going to create another 2 storage types. Okay, I'll going to create another 2 storage types, and we'll going to try to put the material over there. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just copy this. I'll say HU required. Okay, like HU RQ, I'll just create it, means it is HU required, like that. Okay, storage type. Okay, everything will going to remain same, because this is the final storage type, and what I am doing is I am just changing the things over here. I am just saying here I require the HU, like that I'll going to mark it. Okay, HU requirement, it is mandatory here. Okay, I'm just saving it. I'll just copy the same thing, and I'll say HU not required. NQ, I'll make it. Okay, HU not required, like that I'll going to do. I'll going to change it is here, whatever the HU is coming, I don't want to take the HU, only I want to take the loose products, like that I'm doing it here. Save the things. Okay, first I'm going to show you. Okay, yesterday we have completed one warehouse task with the HU, right? So how we're going to see that /n/SCWM/MON in the monitor, you can check everything. Okay, 1100. SAP is a standard monitor type. Okay, just go inside. Here you can see inbound delivery. Under that you can see the handling unit. Or else I don't want to go with this. Go to the documents. Here also you're going to see the handling units. Okay, so many ways you can see the things. Okay, storage and bin is there. Through this physical stocks also you can able to check the handling units. What are the materials are coming up with the handling units. All these things you can able to check it here. Or else here also you're going to see the handling unit in the stock and bin. Okay, so as we have anyway we have created only what is that one material which is coming with the handling unit. You can check it through this also. Go to the physical stock here. Okay, you can give the material. Okay, mine is mat1, right? 1100 mat1. I have brought it yesterday. Okay, So just execute. If it is there in the handling unit, it will show, or else no. Okay. Yesterday we have brought it. See here, 40211 is one handling unit. Okay, here one handling unit. All these things are the handling units which are available. Under these handling units, we are having the material. Okay, one material each, we are having it. Getting the point, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here, this is what it is going to depict about the handling unit. You can open this somewhere else also. Here, handling unit is there, no separate. Yeah, in the documents, if you are seeing handling unit, here also we will going to check it. Handling unit. Okay. So ours is very less. No, I'll just execute. Okay. If you want to see only one handling unit, you require the number, but I don't want like that. I'll just execute it. Still, you can see the handling unit. Okay. Here it will going to show the handling unit. Under these handling units, you are having these many different materials like that. Okay. And you have brought the carton boxes like that. It is showing. Okay. So if you like some materials are there, they are still in the GR. See here, all these materials are in the GR. But whatever the handling units it is showing at the downside, they are only confirmed. Okay. So these are only available in some ST01 or so. Okay. Where are they? We can check them also. No, it is not going to show here. Okay. If you want to see them, again, we have to go to the inbound delivery, something like that. Okay. So inbound delivery here also you're going to check it. If you go to the handling unit, just execute this. You can put the inbound delivery number, then also it is possible, or else just execute it. Here also, see some things are in the GR, right? Some are moved to some storage type. Why it is not showing the storage type? These things are in the storage type, right? This is having mat one, that is fine. But where this HU is available, how we will going to get it? Stock and bin handling unit. Okay, execute. GR bin one only they are available. Few handling units. Storage bin.
So this type column is not there. Storage type column is not.
Storage type is not required. If you are just getting the bin also, it is enough. But here, I am not able to see the handling unit here. I just want to understand. Okay, this is mat one for mat one. Whether I have brought it to some bin or not, that is what my question is. All these things are okay. I'll just move some handling units to the bin. Later we can check it. Okay, because I am not remembering whether I brought it or not. I'll just directly go to the PRDA screen now. Okay. Yesterday we have created so many things. Okay, with the handling unit, we're going to check them first. Okay, 3 materials are there. I'll just process it. Okay, follow-on functions, warehouse task, and it will come in the handling units. Okay, here you just select all and create plus C, you can able to do it directly. Okay, you can say create also. Okay, all 3 I have done it at a time. Okay, so everything is created means it is all these things are going to some of the other bins. Okay, if you are checking here, okay, you can see ST01 is the bin where it is going. Okay, so one more thing I will just show you. Go back, don't save it. If you want to take them into the pallet, what you will do now? All these 3 carton boxes are there. Now you want to take this in the pallet. What you will do?
Yeah, we have to go on back inbound delivery under this pack.
Correct. Okay. Yeah, tell me now. Under the pack, what you will do now?
Yeah, here you have to create pallet material.
Yes, correct.
Yesterday.
So I'll just execute this. Okay, you can drag and drop it. Or else
drag and drop it.
repack HU is there, no?
We have,
here also you can be able to make it. Okay,
yes,
it is it is not that required. Okay,
yes.
just drag and drop it. That is enough.
Destination is valid. Destination is valid, and this one is.
Yes. Okay, if you are just saving it, it will just save. Okay, it is the highest level HU. I'll just show you how it will going to save. I'll just go back. Now, if you are checking, okay, select all these things. Go to the HU tab. Okay, here HU is there for us. Okay, this is the HU. But if you go to the more methods and go to display HU, it will going to say clearly when HU is there. Under that, again 3 HUs are there. Under that, products is there, like that. Okay. So like that, oh, anyway, we have saved it. Okay, so these three products. Okay, I am taking through the HU. Okay, if you're just checking the HU, HU is available for us. Okay, just process it now. Okay, handling unit, you can see only one handling unit. Okay, and what I'll do, okay, I'll just click this and create. Okay, where it is going, just observe this. Okay, it will go to the ST01 only. And next, we're going to say create plus save. Okay, go to the confirmation and confirm it.
Three general question.
Yes, yes.
After this good receiving, that the scenario is for Myro, na? We can do for Myro what is all purchase order.
Myro, okay, correct. Yes.
That means in general way, we have already received in the goods in the bill, and after that, the last step is Myro is pending, correct?
Yes, you are right. That will be done by the people or else the FI people.
FI people. Yes.
No, most of the time, even also will going to do this. Okay. But FI, if they are taking everything, okay, after the Myro, then the payment also has to be done. No, they will going to take care of that. But it is under the people only.
Just asking why, because of I'm asking nothing is pending. The boat is Myrona. Already we received the boat. Okay?
Correct.
So we are not any more steps in between these now.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So what we are doing now here, we are just looking at the what is that EWM side only. I am not concentrating on some other else. That is why I am not showing that.
Yeah. Okay. That's why I asked channel.
Hey, not an issue. Okay, here see, if I am double clicking also nothing is showing here. Okay, because it is everything, it is not the product warehouse task, it will be a HU warehouse task. Okay, once you're going to take this, okay, you can see the HU warehouse task at the downside. And if you open the form view also, from where the material moved and from where it is going like that, everything it will going to show over here. Okay, so this thing we're going to check it in the monitor. Okay, I'll just go back, I'll pick this number. Then go to the monitor, inbound delivery document. Okay, here anything, warehouse task I'll take, inbound delivery, you put it, execute. Okay, so this is the warehouse task. Okay, and the product is this one, and it is there in the storage type ST01. Okay, so so I want to see it in the handling unit. Okay, just go view this inbound delivery, execute. Handling unit. Why it is not showing the handling unit at all? This inbound delivery brought the handling unit. One minute. What is the handling unit? I'll just check. In this thing, we have brought the handling unit, but it is not showing here. See, no objects meet the selection criteria. Next task, execute. Something is missing here. I don't know. Okay, if you go to the HU of task, go to the form view. Here, source HU. HU is available. I'm just copying the HU now. Go back. I'll just provide the HU here. Execute. But still it is not showing the HU. I'll just go with the not square. Okay, yeah, I'll take the HU part. Handling unit is this one. Execute. Yeah, now it is coming. I don't know why it is not taking the HU. Now it is showing the bin. Okay. I'll just check this again. I'll come back to you. But this one actually it should show in the inbound delivery also. I don't know. Okay, leave it. But anyway, it is showing over here. Okay, this is the bin. Okay, these are the different HUs which are available. Okay, and if you can able to give the serial numbers for the materials as well. Okay, all these things it is available. So if you just tick on one and go to the form view, it will going to show you the entire details about that particular HU. See, it is giving. Okay, your storage bin is this one. Okay, and handling unit is this one. Highest level handling unit is 6 followed by some zeros 2. Okay, highest level HU means like HU over the HU. Okay, you are putting carton boxes within the pallets, right? So that is why it is giving the this particular highest level HU like that. It is going to give us. Okay, and when it has happened, everything it is shown over here. Okay, that is fine. So we have three different bins for within these three three HUs are in this particular bin. Okay, so like that we have taken. Now what we will do, we will going to practice this. First what we have created, one is HU not required and HU required. We have created the storage types. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll going to create a bins, one bin within them. Okay, one bin within them, and we're going to see the strategy how it will going to work and all. Okay, we'll try it. So what I will do, I'm going to create one bin within them. Okay, slash n slash CWM slash LS01. Okay, here HU RQ bin. I'll just create HU RQ. Okay, save it. No section at all. Okay, HU NR bin. I'll say HU NR. HUNR doesn't exist.
NQ.
Oh, NQ again. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. NQ is there. Are you sure?
Yes.
ठीक है, NQ है क्या? ये problem हो जाता है एक बार. Okay. So then what we'll do, we'll going to create the strategy. Okay. SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management. Here goods receipt process, and go to the strategies. Okay. Here storage type search, and we have to create the storage type search sequence. Okay. So what is storage type search sequence I'm going to create is for 1100 is my warehouse, and storage type search sequence is HURQ. Okay, required. Okay, HURQ search sequence like that. I'm going to make storage type search sequence. Okay, this is one. 1100 HUNQ. Okay, this is HUNQ storage type search sequence. Okay, I'm just creating two storage type search sequence. Now, what is the process? Next thing, we have to assign our storage types to the storage type search sequence, correct? We are assigning for HUNQ. Okay, I'll say new entries. Okay, wait. Okay, for this, Feroz is 1100. Storage type search sequence is HUNQ. What we have created, storage type I am assigning is HUNQ only. Okay, for this means HUNQ. Okay, means for HUNQ is there no not required. For that I'm assigning the same storage type. Okay, means whatever the it is not going to take the HU like that. Okay, it is not going to take the HU like that. I'm creating. Okay, then go to the next 1100. Here HU RQ required. Okay, we required the HU, so HU RQ only I'll be taking. Okay, so here if without HU it will not going to take like that. Okay, just save this. Save it. Okay, so put away strategies you need to practice. Okay, this is important. And what I have done, only I have created the sequence, then I have assigned the storage types for that. Then directly go to the specify. Okay, here we'll open ours 1100. See, if I am just changing it here, see, for put 1010 is there, sequence 1 is there, right? If I'm changing it to HUNQ, okay, and HURQ, it will directly take these things, correct, no? Are you understanding? Like sequence 1, I'm going to remove it. I'm going to give HU, RQ, I'm going to give. Means what? It will going to move to the, if put 1 is there, put 1 where we have defined for material 1, correct? And 1010 is there for material 1 only. Okay. If this material 1 is coming, then it will go to the HU required this thing only. Okay. And put 2, we have defined it for the mat 2. Okay. And F010 is also given for the mat 2. And here what I'll do, HUNQ I'll going to give. Okay. Means what I'm defining here is I will going to bring the product. Okay. If I'm bringing the product, this one should have the HU. If I am bringing this product, it shouldn't have the HU. Like that, I am telling it. Okay. But what we will do, what we will going to test now. Okay. What we will going to test. I will going to here HU not required is there. No? Sorry, HU required is there. No, I will not going to bring the HU here. Here HU required is there. I will not going to bring the HU. And here HU not required is there. I'm going to bring the HU for the product 2. What it will going to happen, we'll see. Okay, no? Understanding?
Yes.
Okay, so the whatever the optimization is there, it will going to remain same because 1100. See, first one it is there for the storage type. Okay, let it be. And second one is quantity classification is there. The third one is we have defined for the whatever the put away and WPT it is there, no, we have defined it for this. Okay, so if it is there, then we have defined. Okay, put 1 and F10. Okay, 1100. Okay, put 1 and 1010 means it is going to the HU required, and put 2 F010 means it is going to go to the HU not required. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just bring I'll just create one minute. I have to block few bins. Okay, where I can block, I'll show you. Okay, these are the bins. Okay, I'll just block these bins, not to take like that. Okay, because HU not required is there. No, so here what I'm telling you, not this one. Here, material 1, it is requiring the HU. Material 1, it is requiring the HU, but I'll not going to bring the HU. Material 2, it is not required the HU, but I'll going to bring the bring that material with the HU. Okay, we are checking that. But if I am not bringing the HU, how it will going to behave, we'll going to check it. Okay, how it will going to behave, we'll going to see it. Okay, anyway, we're not going to block anything. We'll try it first. Okay, if it is moving in the HU, then we're going to change it. Okay, then we're going to change it. What we'll do, I am just creating one inbound delivery slash n PL31N. Okay, we have the inbound delivery. This one is the inbound delivery for both the materials are available here. I'll just bring one material. Okay. So see, mat 1 is there, one material, mat 2, one material, I'm bringing it. Okay, I'll go to the pack. Okay, what I'll do, I'll create only one HU here. Okay, see, mat 1, whether it is HU required or not required, mat 1.
Yeah, required.
But I'm not going to bring the HU for that. Okay, I'll just pack the mat 2 alone. Okay, I'll just pack the mat 2 alone and I'll save it. Okay, so this is a inbound delivery number what we have got. Okay, copy it. Just go to the PRDI screen. No, this is not okay. PRDI, I'll open it. Okay, give your inbound delivery number, execute. Okay, first we're going to process only material 1. Okay, material 1, it is HU required, but I have not brought the HU. Okay, so what I'll do, go to the following functions, warehouse task. Okay, here one material is there, HU, what is that? Here product warehouse task, it is showing for the mat 1 alone. Okay, and if you are seeing the handling unit, so here also we're going to get one more, that is for the mat 2. Okay, here mat 2 is there. Okay, so first I'm going to process only for the mat 1. Let us see. Okay, so I'll just say create for this. Okay, here it is going to create. Okay, see, if I'm saying create, it is going for the HU required bin, whatever we have defined, correct now? Okay, here nothing is there. Okay, here there is no HU at all, but it is going to the HU required, but it is not come up with the HU. Okay, what it will do, we're going to see it in the confirmation page. Okay, so it is a warehouse order is created. I want to confirm it. Okay, this one I'll say confirm. Okay, see, enter a destination HU it is asking, because HU is not there. Okay, it is HU required bin, sorry, HU required storage type, but HU is not there, so it will not going to take this. Understanding?
Yes.
So if you want to put this in the HU only, okay, if you want to put this material, then how we'll going to do it? Okay, anyway I have brought the material without the HU, but now I want to put it. Okay, what is the procedure? So what you can do, we will going to move the, okay, these are some internal movements are there. Okay, internal movements we're going to call. Okay, so if you want, you can just write it. Internal movements. Okay, so if you want to move the HU from one storage type to another storage type or one bin to another bin, we're going to use the ad hoc movements. Okay, so that is nothing but HU. Ad hoc means it is related to HU. That is AD HU is the transaction slash N slash SCWM slash AD HU is the transaction. Okay, so through this transaction we're going to move the HUs. Okay, so I'll just use this, and whatever the HU it is available. No, we have already taken some HUs in the storage types and all, right? This HU we can move it. Okay, how we're going to move it, and I'm going to show you 4021. No, so I will just take another, or else we'll just open this one slash N slash SCWM slash ADHU is the transaction. Click enter. Okay, here just give your HU number. Okay, 40215. 40215. Okay, just execute this. Okay, here we got the HU. Okay, the highest level HU is this one, and this is the HU which is available. Okay, okay, we have the highest level HU. We can able to move this highest level HU also. Okay, or else we can just move the entire HU if you want to. Okay, so what we will do, we will going to give this HU and we'll going to move it. Okay, anything is possible. Anything is possible. So I have taken this. It is in the ST01 storage location. Just open the form view. But now where I required this HU, where I required this HU actually, in which storage type I required this HU? Where this material is going? It is going to the HU required bin. In HU required bin, there is no HU at all, right? So there I want to move this. Okay. So where is that? Okay. There I want to move this means it is HU, RQ. Okay. And bin I will going to choose it from here. Okay. Only one bin is there. Okay. Just choose it. Okay. But whenever you are doing some movements, no, warehouse process type is really, really important. Without this warehouse process type, you cannot able to move anything. Okay. Here we have the supervision. Okay. Warehouse supervision is one more thing. Internal movements, anything you can do with the warehouse supervision, but internal movements also we will be having some, what is that warehouse process types. I'll just show you. Okay. I'll just remove this, go back. Cross process settings, warehouse task, warehouse process type. Okay. Define warehouse process type. Okay, just check it over here. Okay, we're not going to go to the hours. Okay, here we are having so many different warehouse process types are there. Okay, something are for the transfer and repack 3040 will going to work. All these things we're going to see it in the PUC process. Okay, in the PUC we have to check it, and the 3060 it is for the put away movements. Okay, H movements means from one like GR zone is there, from GR zone to deconsolidation, if you want to move it, it will going to move through the 3060 only. Automatically it will going to take, and sometimes we have to give. So 3070 means it is moving out, removing. Okay, while removal we're going to use this. Okay, like that. So these are few standard things. Okay, and 4010, see, transfer posting. While transfer posting we're going to use this 4010. And if you open this 9999, no, this is for the warehouse supervision. Okay, you can use that and you can move anywhere. So I will just go here. Okay, I have given the warehouse process type also. Okay, now you just say create, enter warehouse process type. Well, I have entered now. 9999, create. ST0101 blocked the stock removal. Okay, okay, I might have blocked it or what?
Earlier it is blocked.
No, I haven't blocked anything. ST01 is blocking 40215. I'll just check with the 40215. Let us see. 40215. Execute. If you required, okay, 40215. Here I want to bring, okay, just create. Storage bin is blocked for stock removals.
Block for storage bin.
Okay, I might have blocked this bin. 1 minute. I'll just open this bin. Okay, here if you go down, you can see the block, whether it, okay, it is in blocked status. Okay.
Blocked status, yeah.
I will just copy this bin and go to /n/scwm /ls02. Okay. I will just give this bin here. Go down and you can delete removal block. Okay, just save it. Now we'll try this. Okay, create. Being okay, I have opened it somewhere else. Here only I have opened. Okay, go back. See, if we are just opened it somewhere else, also it is shows block array stop. I have to do it again then. Just execute it once again and say no. Okay, go to the form view. Give your actual required and give the bin. Warehouse process type is 9999. Click enter and say create. Okay, and then say create plus save. Okay, now you can check it. Okay, so where is that? Not this one. What is the bin? Okay, this one you just copy it. Now you check it where this it is available. Okay, go to the monitor. /n/scwm/mon. You go. Okay, and here handling unit we have to check, right? Physical stock. Not physical stock. Handling unit I have to check, right? Handling unit. Do this handling unit number. Execute. Where this handling unit is available, it will show us. Okay, so just go to the form view. Yeah, see, the storage bin is ST0 only it is showing. One minute, I'll just move it again. Execute. Go to the form view. Destination is this one for us. And warehouse process key is 9999. Click enter. Create. Active warehouse task exist handling unit. Okay. Create plus save. Warehouse order created. Okay. This warehouse order is created. Copy. Still see it is showing in the ST0 only. I don't know why. See it is showing.
Have you confirmed the?
Yeah, confirm means create.
You just only
Oh,
created.
okay, yes. Where is that confirm I have to do, no? Yes, you are right. Okay, this one I have to say confirm plus save. Okay, so if I'm opening the HURF task here, go to the form view. Okay, confirming means what? Here ST0 into HURQ it is going. Okay, you are right. So I have just creating it, but I have not confirming it. Okay, so once I'll go and check it now. /n/SCWM/ADHU. Okay, here also you can able to check this. Okay, where this is available like that.
Three.
Yes. Yes.
This
Yes.
handling unit transaction is not used in this transaction. We are not using in WM model, right?
I don't know about the WM. Okay, so here you can see the whatever the HU we have created is there in the HURQ. Okay, understood, no?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is how like once we're going to confirm, then only it is going to happen. Okay, we are just creating and I was not confirming it. Okay, so that is why it was showing the same thing. So now this handling unit is in this. Okay, I'll just copy this handling unit, copy it, and we were at the end of this. Where is that? Okay, here. So here it was not confirming. Okay, so if I'm saying confirm also, it is asking for some HU, right? Enter the destination HU like that. So now what you have to do, just go to the confirm in foreground. Okay, go to the confirm in foreground. Just open this in the form view. You can give the destination HU. Okay, here destination HU, you give it. Okay, so now you say confirm and you can say confirm plus save. Now it is confirmed. Got it? No, it is moved to the HURQ storage type and the destination HU is this one. Any doubts here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
There are warehouse process types, right?
Warehouse process type, yes.
We are using these process types in this WM.
No. WM there is no warehouse process types available.
There are you can see process type means moment. There are 4 digits, 4 numbers, 9999.
Yes.
So in WM we are using 3
correct
as a reference units, right?
Yes, that is the movement types. Actually, in WM we are using the movement types. Okay. But here we are using the warehouse process type. It is similar to that, but we shouldn't consider. Here it is the blank form. Okay, as I said, whenever you are moving some products from any location to any location. Okay, if the product is moving, that's it. It should require the warehouse process type. Without warehouse process type, materials will not be moved. Okay.
And which are the internal movements in warehouse for EWM?
In EWM, we have one is the ad hoc HU, one is the ad hoc moments, and there is the product moments. Okay, product moments means we're going to use the /n/SCWM /POST. This is a transaction. We're going to use it for logical as well as the physical movements of the material.
Yeah, actually, these are like replenishment, ad hoc, and low level.
No. You are asking for those moments. Like I just told about the products and all. Okay, so if you want to see the movements in the warehouse, then replenishment is there. Okay, then in the physical inventory also we're going to move certain products. Okay, physical inventory whenever we are doing that time, if some stocks has to be in one particular bin, but they are lying here and there, means we will going to do the movement and we're going to take it to particular bin. Okay.
Reorganization, right? Reorganization.
Yeah, rearrangement.
Rearrangement.
Slotting and rearrangement we're going to do. That is also internal things only. Okay. Then one more thing is deconsolidation, VAS. All these things are the movements we're going to consider. Okay. So these are means once the material is moving to the deconsolidation, then to the VAS. Okay. These are also internal movements only. Okay.
Okay.
And while removing, we're going to take it to the packaging station, then to the staging. All these things again, it is the internal movements. Okay. So we have confirmed one thing. Okay, we have confirmed this one, but material we have the some other within this only. We just moved the material one. Mat one it is confirmed, but mat two we have brought it with the HU, but here HU is not required. Correct? No. If you go here, follow-on functions and warehouse task.
Yeah, Sri, in this scenario, what we have to do, like HQ required, that we are not like at the time of inbound, we are not taking the handling unit that time for that particular material. And after that, we have to assign with different code ad hoc handling unit to assign the handling unit, and then we have to move to this. Then we have to create the warehouse task.
Yes, then we can able to create the warehouse task. You are right.
Yes, because this is the required handling unit.
HU is required, but there is no HU over there. So that is why I brought the HU. Then I have moved it.
We are not able to create the warehouse task.
Correct.
So we have to, first of all, we have to assign the handling unit. Then we can able to create the warehouse task.
Correct. You are right. But here, second one, no. Actually, I said HU not required for this, for second product, but I have brought it in the HU, correct? No?
Correct.
So how it will going to move, we're going to check it. Okay, just say create. Okay. So where it is going? It is going to some ST03R. No, HU NQ it is going. Okay, HU NQ, right? This is correct. Okay. Now I'll just create plus save it. Okay, while confirming, see how it will how it is going to behave. I'll just confirm it. Okay, so go to the HU warehouse task. Okay, open the form view. Here it is having some source HU, correct? HU should go to the storage type. Okay, HU not required is there, no? Within that HU should go, but we have brought it with the HU. But once I'm going to say confirm, okay, here you can see at the downside, destination HU is gone. Understanding means this HU is going to delete automatically. The products alone will going to move within the bins. Okay, like that it will going to happen. Got it? Okay, if the HU is not required and you are bringing in the HU, then it will not going to bother about the HU. Will just take the products and it will going to remove the HU from there. Okay, that is how it will going to happen.
Okay. I am thinking that is restricting there, like.
Yes, it is restricting the HU. No, it is not going to take the HU here. Yes. Okay, so that is one thing. And next thing, what we'll do, I'll just okay, change the strategy again. Okay, /n SPRO IMG SAM EWM, extended warehouse management, goods receipt process. Here strategies. Okay, I'll just change the strategy again back to the same thing. Okay, here specify you go 1100. Earlier it was there no SCQ1 and SCQ2. I'll just take the same thing SCQ1. This is SCQ2. Okay. Okay, save this. So I have changed the strategy. Now we'll go to the storage type. I think I have no open. Master data, go to the storage types. Okay. Here 1100 ST01. Okay, what I will do, HU type check is there. See, HU type check is the another thing what we are having it here. What is this HU type check? Okay, see, whenever you are bringing some material, okay, so when I'm going to bring the material ST01, okay, so MAT1 we have defined it for the ST01 and ST02. MAT2 we have defined it for ST03 and ST04. It is based upon the strategy we have defined. But what I will do, I will going to take the HU type check here. Okay, for RK01, I'm going to say HU type check. What is this HU type check we have discussed? Okay, if you are just seeing it here, checks whether the handling unit type of the warehouse task is allowed for the destination storage type. Okay, here HU type check and the storage bin type check are only performed if you have activated the attribute HU type check and the storage types. Okay, so if for the storage type, if you are checking the HU type check, then only it will going to be activated, or else no. Okay, and these things I'll just bring the material. Okay, what is that for HU? Sorry, this is for handling unit. Okay, so this is for handling unit. What I have done. Okay, and I'll save this. I'll go to the storage type 2 also. Storage type 2 also. I'm going to make the HU type check for this. No, first I'm going to not make it. Okay, I'll just save it. And I'm going to bring material. Okay, one material I'm going to bring now. Where we have to, okay.
ST01, you have checked now?
Yeah, only ST01 I have checked it. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm going to bring only one material, EL31N.
See, but you have already changed the sequence, right? I mean, HU required two SCQ1 and
Correct.
SCQ2 you have already changed.
Yeah, SCQ1 means it is going for the ST01 and ST02, correct?
Earlier setting.
Earlier setting only. Okay. Sorry. HU type check I have given, but where it is going, I just want to show you. Okay. If I'm just saying like in the creation, no, while creating the warehouse task, where this material will go, that one I want to show. Okay, it is stuck here. What we have done, actually, we have created the HU types, right? And just take it here. See what we have done here only. We have created the HU types at the client level, right? And then we have created the HU type, HU groups at the warehouse level. Then we have assigned these two things so that we have taken the HU types also to the warehouse level. Getting the idea? If you want to take the HU types towards the warehouse level, what we have done, HU types are created at the client level. HU groups were created at the warehouse level. Then we have assigned these two so that HU types also came towards the warehouse level. Am I right? Okay. Actually, now we want to bring this HU types towards the what is that, storage type as well as storage bin level. Okay, then how we will going to do it, and that one I want to show you. Okay, so that is why I'm just saying it, why it is not coming. It came, okay, it came, yeah, see. So I'll just delete this one material. I'll just delete this. I'm just bringing it for only one. Okay, yes. First I'll show you, then once I'll going to bring it to the storage type level and all, how it will going to behave, we can check it. Okay, I'll just say, yes, it. Okay, anyway, I'm going to pack this, okay, in the here only. Okay, PIDI screen I'm going to go. Okay, in the PIDI screen we can able to pack, not an issue. Okay, I'll just open this. One, okay, just execute and go to the pack. I'm bringing the HU, okay, HU required, HU not required, nothing is there over there, but I just check the HU check I have ticked. Okay, so here packaging material, what I'll say, some 1100 start, and I'm going to do. Okay, then execute, just put the material and save it. Okay, go back, go to the following functions, warehouse task. If I am going to the handling unit and create, I'll say create, it will go now. Okay, it is going to ST02. Why it is going to ST02? Tell me. It should go to ST01, right? Hello.
Is it a sequence?
No, I'll just, okay, this is one answer. Okay, next. Yeah, this is sequence, you are right. Okay, definitely it is sequence. That is why it is leaving ST01 and moving to ST02. But why it is leaving ST01?
Maybe in ST01 block is there also.
No, I have not created any block in ST01. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just go back. Okay, I'm not going to save this.
ST01 has checked.
Exactly. Okay,
check.
ST01 having the storage type, sorry, that HU check is there in the ST01, means which HU I am bringing, I have to specify there. Which HU I am bringing. So that is what I am showing. Just it is whatever the HU we have brought it now, it is at the warehouse level only now. Okay, but now I have to bring it at the storage level also. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just go back now. I'll just go back. I don't want to save this. Okay, I will go to the pack. Okay, I'm just emptying this. Okay, just say empty and save this. So your material is alone now. Okay, only you are bringing the material now. Again, go back. Okay, go to the inbound delivery, follow-on functions, warehouse task. Okay, it will be in the product warehouse task now. Okay, and you say create. Where it should go? It should go to the ST01. But I have not removed the check. I have not removed the check. Okay, so if you are bringing the material however you want, okay, you have to remove the check. Then only it will move over there. Okay, what I'll do, I'll go to the storage type. Okay, previous one, HU type check is there. Just remove it, save it over here, and go to this step. Go back. Inbound delivery, follow-on functions, warehouse task. So I'll say create. It is going to the ST01 now. Getting the concept? Okay, we'll bring it. We'll bring it towards the storage type level, and we'll going to check it now. Yes.
Yeah, one question. You have tested two scenarios here. First of all, you have checked in the storage type one. Okay, and then you have created the inbound delivery with the pack. Okay,
Correct.
and so it is going automatically ST02 because this is no check.
Yes.
Okay, and you unpack the material.
Correct.
And again you have to teach this one.
Yes.
So again it is going with the ST02. How it is different?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Why
Okay,
it is not
why
going
it is
ST01?
different? Why not it is different? You are asking, correct? No,
Huh.
because I have
Yeah.
ticked the HU
Why
type
it is
check
not
means
coming in the ST01? Because we have unpacked this one. We have
correct. You are
unpacked.
right.
Why it is not coming in the ST01?
Correct. Okay, so for this, no, like HU type check means it will always be checking for some HU only. HU must be there like that. Getting the concept. So we should bring it with the HU only because we have given the HU type check there. Now what I'll do, I'll just show you. Here I'll going to take HU type check and I'll go move further. ST02 also I'll going to take ST. Okay, I'll just save this now. Okay, for both the storage types, I have given the HU type check. Okay, I'll go back. I don't want to save this. Okay, and I'll going to say warehouse task, and I will say create. Okay, see, it is giving some error. Why? It is requires some HU. Okay, but I am not bringing the HU. But which HU it is take? It is not. I am also not defining that. Which HU should be there for the storage type? No, I am not defined that. Okay, getting the idea. If I am creating the HU type check means it is sorry, where I have went. Okay, I'll just remove this. It is not required for us, right? So if I am ticking the HU type check means I am saying it should come with some HU. The material should come with some HU. Okay. That is why I am giving the HU type check. Although if I am bringing the loose products, okay, still it will not going to take because I have taken the HU type check. No, means I want some HU like that. I am telling to this. Okay, so that is why this HU type check will be done here. Okay, so see here again you can read it. Checks whether the handling unit type of the warehouse task is allowed for the destination storage type. This particular type is allowed or not, it will going to say handling unit type we have not yet brought towards the storage type. So we have to allow it, correct? No? So what we have done, first we have brought that HU types, okay, HU types towards the warehouse level. We have done that. You have seen that. Where we have done? Here we have done. Here we have done. Okay. HU types we have created. HU groups we have created. When we will going to assign this HU types to the HU group, we have brought this HU types to the warehouse level. Understand the concept? This one we have done, but we have not yet brought this HU types towards the what is that storage types. Okay. We have not yet brought towards the storage types, correct? No? Yeah. Correct. So what I will do, I will just have to do that. Okay, go back. The storage types, go back again. Okay, here, goods receipt process. Okay, goods receipt process. Under that, you just go to the strategies and next storage bin destination. Storage bin determination is there, no? We'll go to the storage bin determination. Under that, we're going to get the HU types here. Okay. Under the storage bin determination, we're going to get the HU types. Okay. Just open this. Okay. Here you have the define HU types. HU types is already defined for us. Okay. And define HU types for each warehouse number and assign HU type group. HU types, each storage type is there. HU types for each storage type, bin type is there. Okay. So we have all these things. So define HU types for each storage type first I have to say. Okay. Each storage type. First I am going to do this. Okay. Here we don't have for our warehouse number. For our warehouse number, we have not defined anything. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll say new entries 1100. What is my storage type? Storage type is ST01. Okay, for ST01, I am bringing the HU means what are the different HU types I'm allowing it here. HU types means what? HU types means what? Tell me. HU types.
HU, Q, HURQ, or
HUNQ.
Hey, HU and Q, all those things are not the.
no, storage type.
Okay, I'll just take you there. HU, okay, SPRO. Please don't confuse here. HU types I'm asking. Okay, see, bin type means what? Bin type.
PT01.
That is correct. What you mean by bin type?
Bin type.
Characteristic of the bin, correct? No. Just similar to that, HU type means it is a characteristic of the HU. Okay, I'll just go to the cross process settings, handling unit. Okay, basics. Here we have defined the HU types, correct? No. So HU types we have defined, okay, and here define HU type groups for there. We have defined that HU. What is that? 11 G1, 11 G2, like that. We have defined the HU type groups. We have assigned these two things here. Okay, if I open and show it to you, 11 H1, it is assigned to 11 G1 here. Okay, 11 H2 I have assigned to 11 G2. This one also I have assigned, correct? So these three things we have assigned so that it came towards the warehouse level data. This HU type, we have brought it towards the warehouse level. Now I want to bring it towards the storage type level. That is why I'm doing it. Okay, here, if you are assigning this HU types towards this ST01, then we are bringing it towards the storage type level. Okay, I'll see what is that? 11 H1 I'll going to assign here, and 11 H2 also I want to take, and 11 S3 also I want to take. Click enter. 1100 ST02. For ST02 also I am taking. Okay, 11 H1, 11 H2, 11 S3. I'll take. See, for both the ST01 and ST02, I have taken what is that? This HU types. Okay, getting the idea? So I have just brought it at the storage type level alone. Okay, just save this. Storage type level, I have brought it. Okay, now I will go back and okay, I will go back here. I have done the HU type check. You remember that for ST01 and ST02?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just go to the inbound delivery, follow on functions, warehouse task. Okay, just say create here. Again, it is giving the error. Why? No bin search possible, because I want to take it at the bin level as well. This HU types, no, I want to take it at the bin level as well. Okay, which bin type? I am just assigning this HU type. That one I have to do. Okay, for that, again, you just go here, go back. Okay, go back. Here, see, define HU types for each bin types. Okay, each storage type, storage bin types. Just execute this. Okay, here, ours is 1100. It is not available. Okay, I'll just check it. Position 1100. Warehouse number, it is not available. Go to the new entries. Okay, 1100. Storage type. What is our storage type? ST01 is the storage type, and HU type 11 H1 is the HU type, and storage bin type what? Our bin type BT01 is the bin type. Got it? So this is what I am giving it here. Okay, so just click enter, save it. Means, and one more thing, very, very important thing. In ST01, BT01 should be there, or else it will not go. I'll open the LS11. If it is there, then only it will go. Okay, /n/SCWM/LS11. I'll go to ST01. Open it. It is there already. BT01 is there. If it is not there, no, then also you cannot able to move that particular material into this particular bin, because the bin type is going to differ, means it is not going to take it there. Okay. Now just go back. I will just go to the, okay, I have saved it, right? This one, I'll just save it first. Okay, go to the strategies, go back. No. Warehouse task, follow on functions, warehouse task. I'll say create. Okay, still again it is saying the same thing. Why? Why? Tell me. HU required is there. HU check I have given. Okay. Now I am going to bring what? HU. Okay. Follow on functions back. Understanding? No, this is. I am bringing the material individually. Okay. But here HU is there. So I want to bring it in HU only because this HU is having this carton box is having HU type as 11 H1. Okay, so that is why I am bringing it with the 11 H1 now. Okay, save it. Go back. Follow on functions, warehouse task. Okay, if you go to the handling units, here if I'm saying create, you should go to the ST01 now. Understood the concept? Any doubts here?
Yeah, some confusion.
Yeah, okay. I'll remove the confusion from your end. Okay. See, from first we're going to take, okay. So if you are having the time, from first I'm going to take, okay, /n SPRO. Storage type, from storage types, I'm just clearing you the doubts. SCM EWM, extended warehouse management, master data. Here I'll go to the storage types. 1100. I'll go to the ST01. I'll just open this one, okay. I have ticked the HU type check. HU type check means what? HU type check means I want to bring the HUs, okay. Whenever you are creating the warehouse task, it should be a HU warehouse task. That is first thing. If you are bringing the individual materials, it will not going to take. Understand that, okay. That is clear. This is clear, no? Whatever HU type check means, it should come with the HU only. If without HU, if you are coming, it will not going to take it. If this is clear, at least.
Yes.
Okay. This is one sentence. Second is, if I am bringing the material, okay, in what I have defined here, okay, I said whatever the HU we have created, no, HU types, I have brought it towards the warehouse level based upon when I'm going to assign this HU type to the HU group, because HU groups are created at the warehouse levels. Okay, when we assign these two things, we have brought this HU types towards the warehouse level. But now I want to bring this, when you will going to take the HU type check, no, you have to define this HU types for your storage type also, as well as bin also. If you have defined just at the storage type means, it will come to the storage type, but again it is searching for the bin because bin is not determined there. So that what I am doing, I am going here, okay, go back for the particular storage type, okay, I am giving 11H1, 11H2 and 11H3. Okay, ST01, 11H1 means what? What is the storage? What is the HU type? 11H1 is the HU type means which material we have assigned this? Carton box, pallet or auxiliary? This 11H1. Carton box, exactly. 11H2, which for which thing I have assigned?
Pallet.
Correct, no? I'll show you one more thing. Okay. Here I have defined so that it is coming to this particular storage type, correct? Now I have taken which carton box I have taken here. I don't want to save this again. I'll say no. Okay. I don't want to save it. I have taken, see, here I have defined all the three HU types for the storage type, correct? All the three HU types I have created for the storage type. I have brought it, but go back, go to the bin, okay, each bin type. Here, if you are opening 1100, you have brought only 11H1 for the BT01. I have not taken any other thing. If I am taking 11H2, 11H2 means what? That is for the pallet. What the system will going to behave? How the system will going to behave? We're going to check it. Okay. Go to the pack. I will going to empty this.
So this HU we need to maintain in storage type level as well as storage bin level.
Exactly. If you are having just HU type check, then only, or else not at all required. Okay. HU type check if it is there, then this is the means we are specifying it. Okay. This is very like high level activities. Sorry, in depth level activities. Okay. We are specifying it. See, I am putting the material in the pallet now. Okay. Whether I have determined this at the bin level?
No.
No, correct. Okay, I'll just save this. I have removed the carton box. Okay. Go back.
If it is not determined in bin level, then definitely it is going to give some error, right?
Yeah, that is what, that's error I want to show you. Okay, go to the handling unit. If you say create, it shouldn't move actually. It should show the error. No bin search possible. Okay, why the bin search is not possible? I have given the HU type check. I have only brought the HU type 11H2 towards the storage type level. Where I have brought? Here, go back. Storage type level, I have brought it. HU, this 11H2 to H2. I have brought it at the storage type level, but bin level, I have not yet brought it. So if you are creating the same thing here, okay, new entries, 1100 in my warehouse, storage type is ST01. In the ST01 only, HU type, like what is my HU type? 11H2 is the HU type, and I am going to give BT01. Okay, see, I'll going to give BT02 now. Okay, let us assume I'm going to give BT02. Save it. Whether I am having BT02 in the what is that storage type 1, we'll going to check it.
No.
We'll just check it and we'll see. Okay, /n/scwm/ls11. Okay, so we'll go to ST01 and execute. There is no BT01 here. Okay, correct, no? For specific 1011 is there, no?
Yeah.
For this alone, I'll going to give the BT02. Okay, I'll going to give BT02. That is fine, right? I'll just say BT02 I have given. Okay, you remember for something I have given, right? Here I have given. Okay, for 1011 I have given. Okay, just save this. Okay, it is changed. Now I will go back to the strategy. Go back again. Come again. Okay, so I have created it in the palette. For the palette, what I have defined here. Okay, palette is the HU type, means if it is coming to the ST01, bin type I have determined is the BT02. For one particular bin, I have determined the BT02 there. Okay, I'll go to the warehouse task, column functions, warehouse task, and go to the handling unit, say create. Where it should go? BT02 it will go. See, 1011. Now understood? Simple hai, okay? So this is how, if you are doing the storage type check, it is you are going at the minute level and you have to specify each and everything, then only it will work, or else it will not going to work. That's it. Okay.
So all in one case it will not work. For example, storage bin level, if we are having the strategy in sequence, and if we have, I mean,
okay,
either we can go with sequence or we can go with HU.
Exactly.
Both is not possible together.
No, both are possible. No, we have to go with sequence. Then if we are taking the HU type check, then HU type check, if it is not available in the some, see, 1 minute, I'll just clear with this one. Okay, see, I have SCQ1, it is having ST01 and ST02, correct? Initially, I have given the HU type check for the ST01 alone. That time, whenever you are moving the material, it was going to ST02. Have you observed that?
Yeah.
Okay. Why it is going to this ST02? Because HU type check is there for the ST01, but I have not yet confirmed, means I have not yet brought the HU types to the storage type as well as the bin level. That is why it is going to the ST02. But now I have brought it, means it is again taking to the ST01, because you whatever the HU requirements is there, not requirement is there, first it will going to maintain that, then it will going to search for the strategies as well. Okay, sequences as well. Everything it will going to consider, it will going to work. Okay. Any doubts here?
Okay, it will go. Hello.
Yeah, Ajay.
Hello.
Yes, Ajay.
Yeah. If we check the HU type check, then it will go to bin type level.
Exactly. If you are going to the ST01, if you are allowing the what is that HU types, okay, you are allowing all the HU types at the ST01, but at the bin level, if you are not allowing the HU types, then where it should go? It should go to some bin, right? In ST01, you are having hundreds of bins. If you are not allowing at the bin level this HU types, then also it is a problem. That what you can do, okay? Now, okay, you can do this task. Okay, whatever the task I have given no for earlier, okay, that one you can do. You create a storage type here. Okay, this is your storage type. Let us assume you prepare only two sections. You prepare. Okay, this is one section. This is the other section. Like that, you prepare. This is the other section you prepare. Here, I want only the pallets. Here, I want only the pallets. Here, this is section 1. Let us consider. Here, I want only the carton box. Can you do it? Very easily, you can able to do this. If you are having this HU type check, I'll tell you how we have to do. Create, okay, ST01 is already there for you. Create section 1 and section 2 within this. Okay. Section 1, you give BT01. Section 2, you give BT02. Getting the idea? In section 1, whatever the bins are there, okay, for the bins, okay, in section 1, you will going to assign certain bins, okay, whatever the bins are there, for this, you give a proper HU types, okay, like 11 H1, I'll going to give, means, sorry, not section 1, you required a pallet, no, 11 H2, I'll going to give for this BT01. And for this, I'll going to give 11 H1. That's it, okay. So you can take section 1, all the bins, whatever it is having. If it is having with the 11 H2, then only pallets it will going to take. If H1 is there, it will go into section 1, 2, it will going to go. Correct, no? Yes, that's it, okay. You just write up.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, sorry, Sri.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday, a day before yesterday, you were asking us to move that requirement, right? I mean, I have 3 requirements. Like first, I have to move that in top section and middle section and lower section. So that also can be controlled through this HU.
Yes.
If HU check is there, then by default, what kind of packing materials we have, what kind of HU is there. So based on that, that will go with pallet or it will go with carton boxes on the lower bin.
Correct. Got it, no? It is very easy. Yeah. Just try it out, okay? You can able to do it. I can believe that. Okay, try it out. If you are not getting the things, we will going to do it again. Not an issue, okay? This is very easy thing, okay? Whatever I have defined here, if you are just going through this, then it is easier for you, okay? Whatever it is, BT01 might be there or BT02 might be there. Don't worry about BT01 and BT02, but this should be assigned to particular HU type, okay? What is there in the section 2? Let us consider in section 2 also you are having the BT01. Let us consider. for this one, you just assign, sorry, if you're assigning like this, if you're assigning no, what it will going to happen? Both things it will going to take. Okay, BT0 means both HU we have to assign. So you just maintain it with BT02 only. This is correct. Okay. So if you are maintaining BT02, then you are assigning this W1 H1 for this, then only it will going to take the different section. This is correct. Yes. Okay. Again, if you want, no, I want to maintain some BT0 only here means just go through the section type check then. Okay. Again, it will be a big task. Okay. Because we have seen the section indicators and all, no. If you want to go through that, then again, it will going to take, but don't do that much of work. Just you can create here. Okay. It will going to work for you. Okay. Simple thing is there. Just try it out, and tomorrow we're going to discuss a packaging specification. Okay. One more important topic. See, now I am bringing material, like I'm going here while creating the VL31N. I am packing material by myself, right? Tomorrow, what we are doing now, packaging specifications. Once I'm going to define it, the material should pack automatically. Okay. So what is the specification? What is this packaging specification and all? We're going to see it. Okay. In the tomorrow's class. Okay. Yeah. Thank you then. And while practicing, if you are getting any doubts, do ask.